Hi everyone, welcome on board. Welcome to Cat King. This is Anisha here, and today I have with me Siddhant, who has just got done with the SNAP exam. So, how was the SNAP exam, Siddhant, for you today?
Overall, it was moderate. You could say that quant was a little difficult. LR was easier, and English was okay. It was moderate. A few questions were, what you can say, unseen before.
Okay, like what questions which we saw for the first time today?
One question, in one question they were asking about British English and American English. Like they gave two sentences. One sentence was "I shall see you tomorrow," and another one was "I will see you tomorrow." So they were asking like which sentence is American English and which sentence is British English. So that one was a little tricky.
Okay, that's a little tricky. Yes, definitely. And how about the overall quant section? Like you said, it was lengthy and difficult. What made it so difficult for you?
Yeah, there were a few questions from quadratic equations. One question particularly, which was looking easy, but while solving it took 2 to 3 minutes, and I could not solve it. So yeah, that wasted a couple of minutes for me. And there was another question, a couple of questions from geometry, which were lengthy again, and one question from percentages, which in that the language was a little too vague. So yeah, even that question I wasted 30 seconds, I guess.
Oh, okay. And how about
so overall I could attempt only 11 questions in quant.
11 in quants. Okay. And how about the data interpretation? Did we have two lengthy sets and complex questions, or how was it?
No, the data interpretation was straightforward mostly, and there were no set-based questions. All the questions were individual. There were no set-based questions in data interpretation, and even in LR.
Okay, all right. And when we talk about RCs and parajumbles, which are like too time consuming and verbal, did we see those kind of questions?
No, there was no RC. There was one poem based question, and that one was also a little tricky. I could not understand it, so I left it. The poem was written by, I guess, I don't know.
Okay.
There were 4 lines, and they were asking something. I don't remember exactly. So yeah, that one was a little tricky. The poem based, and there was no parajumbles as well.
Oh, that's interesting. That's a little different and unique when you say no RCs, no parajumbles in verbal. So that kind of is surprising. Did you feel overall the paper was tougher than what you would have expected it to be otherwise?
No, it wasn't that tough. You could say only one section was really tough. That was quant. Overall, yeah, it was on expected lines. Moderate difficulty. Yeah, if your accuracy is good, I think we can score good in this.
Okay, all right, lovely. That was really great. So thank you so much, Siddhant, for sharing your first-hand experience with us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. My pleasure.
Hi everyone. So we have Shivani with us here, who's just done with the SNAP exam. So how do you feel, Shivani, after the exam's done?
It was really nice. It was good since it was the first attempt of SNAP, and it was actually easy. Yeah, it was not too difficult, easy to moderate, but yeah, good.
Okay, so you say easy to moderate. A lot of people have been saying that, quants was very tough and verbal had no RCs, no parajumbles. So what do you think? What was your reaction to all of this?
Yes, I expected actually, yes, since I had read a lot of videos saying that there was no RC last year. So I was like, maybe I was not hoping, because Snap is all about surprises. So I was like, I didn't keep anything in mind telling that I will expect this or that. But yeah, I expected parajumbles and all, but it didn't, surprisingly, it wasn't there. But yeah, it was all from the common topics which we all received. But yeah, it was surprising that there was no RC and etc. things.
Okay, so it was more or less from the common sense, we can say, and so
yes.
that way it was a good thing. And what was your final if you have to give it one take on the overall exam or some strategy for the people who are giving next attempt, what do you think? What should you prepare and what should you focus on?
Focus on LR and cons. I would say yes, cons was obviously to moderate to difficult level, but it requires a lot of practice. From the basics, yeah, it requires a lot of practice. You need to be clear with the basic concepts. That's it, I can say.
Okay, so any particular module which was dominant in LR and quant section?
Cons, I could see geometry and yes, arithmetic for sure, because it's one of the basics. So arithmetic and geometry, I had questions from that.
Okay.
Even clocks. Even
clocks.
clocks was.
Oh yeah, clocks and calendars is typically a favorite for Snap. You know, you tend to get to these questions coming in always. And how about the LR section? Did we have non-verbal reasoning or verbal reasoning?
We had verbal reasoning.
Verbal reasoning.
Yeah, we had all the normal sections like you know, everything what we had. Even about quants, I would like to say I had even for DI, I had only one question. Surprisingly, only one question. Not the 5 questions, you know, in a line, only one question, and that was a surprising thing. But it was all good to moderate, so you can, you know, just focus on practice on your basics, and you'll be good to go.
Okay, that's a good piece of advice. Get your basics clear, which is there. Overall, how many were you able to attempt, Shivani? Since you know it's like a time crunch, 60 minutes, 60 questions.
Yeah. So I was able to attempt 53 questions.
Wow, that's a good attempt. That's good. That's nice to see 53 attempt. And overall, what do you think? You could have done like a 90% accuracy?
Yes, I hope so. But yes, I know that we can give 2 attempts. So probably I might push much more harder for the second attempt.
Okay, that's lovely. Thank you so much, Shivani, for coming on board and sharing your first-hand experience with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Take care.
And thanks to Cat King. Thank you so much.
I'm glad. Were the mocks helpful for you?
Yes, they were. All the information, everything, all the ebooks, mocks, everything was so helpful for me.
Oh, lovely. Thanks. I'm glad it was helpful. Stay tuned and let's make sure when the second attempt goes much better.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
So, hi, Shreya. How was your SNAP exam since you have just done with it?
It was good. The verbal and LR section was better compared to the QA and DI section.
Oh, why do you say that? What made the QA and DI section not good for you?
The DI section was absent, to be completely honest. And the QA was good, but this time arithmetic was not the dominant one. In fact, there were like questions from all the subjects of quant, like there was number systems, there were algebra questions, there were geometry questions. Arithmetic had a low part to play in this.
Okay, that's interesting. Like usually, yes, dominance has always been from the arithmetic space. And how about your verbal and LR section? Like, did you find that taxing or it was feasible time was there?
VA was very easy and like there was no reading comprehension involved. So we could fly by the VA section in like 5 to 8 minutes max. And LR section, the 25 questions were good, like it was doable. There were questions related to clocks and calendars, which were doable, completely doable. LOD 1 level questions, so it was completely doable.
So if after the whole exam, do you feel satisfied that, okay, I think I studied and what I studied, I got the paper to be on the same lines?
With VA and LR, I do agree that yes, it was on the same level, but with QA, I wish I could have attempted more questions, and I really wanted to attempt like DI. DI, one set you do and you can answer like 4 to 5 questions relating to the same set. So it saves some time. So yeah, really hope that DI would.
That was a surprise to not have at all just one single question of DI. Last time I think there were 2 questions and in once there were a little couple of more, so that's there. But all right, that's okay, not bad. And overall, how many attempts did you have like across the sections?
Across the sections, in VA, I attempted 12 questions. In LR, I attempted 21. And in QA, I attempted merely 10 questions.
Okay, not bad, not bad. So let's hope for the good thing is Snap doesn't have sectional cutoffs. So let's wait for the
Right.
final results coming out soon. And would you be giving another attempt to Snap?
Yes, ma'am, on 8 January.
All right, lovely. So wish you all the best for it, Shreya, and do well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
You.